Hello, traders. In the pursuit of high-growth companies, William O'Neill's CANSLIM methodology has stood the test of time. Now you can find names meeting his key criteria with the CANSLIM Scan, an all-new free tool available for all TrendSpider traders. William O'Neill's CANSLIM philosophy is a comprehensive strategy that combines both technical and fundamental analysis to help traders and investors zero in on the names with the highest growth potential in the market. The acronym CANSLIM stands for Current Quarterly Earnings, Annual Earnings, New Highs, Supply and Demand, Leader or Laggard, Institutional Sponsorship, and Market Direction. With the CANSLIM Scan, we uniquely define each of these components to help us identify and monitor the stocks that are currently meeting O'Neill's strict requirements. Let's talk through each piece. We'll start with the C, which stands for Current Quarterly Earnings. This component focuses on the company's earnings performance in the most recent quarter, defining year-over-year earnings growth of 25% or more. Next is the A of CANSLIM, which refers to annual earnings. To define this in the scan, we require that at least one quarter in each year of the 3-year look-back period shows year-over-year earnings growth of 25% or more. The N of CANSLIM refers to companies with new products or management that push its stock to new highs. More specifically, we define that the price is currently within 15% of its 52-week high. The S, which stands for supply and demand, focuses on increasing trading volumes during periods of price increases. Next up is L, which stands for leaders and laggards. This factor emphasizes investing in market leaders or stocks that are outperforming the overall market. We measured this using TrendSpider's relative performance tool, which compares the price performance of an asset relative to all names within the S&P 500. Specifically, we require that relative performance be greater than 80, meaning the name is currently outperforming at least 80% of S&P 500 constituents. Next, we have institutional sponsorship. That's the I in CANSLIM. This component looks for stocks with increasing support from hedge funds, banks, and the like. As a proxy for this value, we require analyst buy ratings within the last 90 days. Finally, we have market direction, which is the final component of the CANSLIM strategy. As O'Neill says, you only want to be investing in stocks when the overall market is in an uptrend. To define this, we require that price is currently above a rising 200-day SMA. The list of stocks that meet this stringent criteria is understandably limited, as the CANSLIM methodology is specifically designed to filter out companies with any underlying weaknesses. However, the scan is currently identifying some great examples. Let's analyze a few of them. First up is Palantir Technologies, which has been making waves lately with its stock at 3-year highs and an S&P 500 inclusion at the end of this month. The company has posted an impressive 7 consecutive quarters of year-over-year earnings growth, each exceeding 100%, and it's currently outperforming 99.8% of names in the S&P 500. Next is Arista Networks, which has achieved consistent quarter-over-quarter and year-over-year EPS increases over the past 12 quarters in a row. This sustained growth has propelled its relative performance score to an impressive level, where it currently is outperforming 94.4% of the S&P 500. Finally, we have Howmet Aerospace. Not only is the stock up over 70% this year, it's also outperforming an impressive 98.6% of the S&P 500. With 10 straight quarters of year-over-year earnings growth, Howmet's consistent performance hasn't gone unnoticed. Recent buy ratings from Barclays, JP Morgan, and KeyBank further emphasize Wall Street's confidence in the company. To keep up with the latest CANSLIM names, you can employ scheduled scanning. By scheduling the CANSLIM Scan to run automatically, you can have its results delivered straight to your inbox, ensuring that you're always up to date on CANSLIM names without needing to manually scan the market for them every day. If you're a TrendSpider trader, you can begin utilizing this free CANSLIM scanner right now. Simply click the import link in the description of this video to start identifying stocks with the highest growth potential today.